Okay, so I just got this thing off of my... Wait, let me line up the camera here. So I just got this thing off my printer. I just printed. It's called a Flexie Fidget. If you've ever heard of Tangled Therapy, it's a toy they make for kids with ADHD. I actually designed and printed one on my printer. It's pretty cool. So when the printer prints, you'll notice it's got this layer of stuff on there that it prints first before it actually lays down the, puts down the layers of the thing. So I have to peel that off, and then you're gonna see something really cool once I get this thing off of here. You might have to put up with me humming and singing for a minute here, but that's okay. Could be worse. Okay, almost there. Peeling this stuff off. Now the first thing you'll notice is that this thing has interconnected parts. See, I've got to loosen them all up. Break these seals. Oops. But they have interconnected parts. And eventually, once I get all this stuff off, it will move pretty freely, which I'll show you in a minute here. Alright, but first I gotta break all these seals. There's that, that. You see how it's starting to sort of lose its shape because it's kind of a free form thing. This is why this type of thing works really well for kids with ADHD, because it's like the ultimate fidget toy. Right? Okay, almost got it. Alright. But, uh-oh. Okay, there. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah. So, there's still some, but you can see how I can kind of mash it up and whatever, and it's just made of these little, let's see where the actual camera is there. It's made of these little elbow joints, and I've got 20 of them together, and I actually designed this part in the modeling software, stacked them all together in that configuration that you saw at the beginning of the video, printed it on the printer in one pass, and now the printer can print all this stuff with interconnected pieces that are actually all physically separate pieces, and it did it all in one print. Isn't that cool? That's my Flexie Fidget. That's what I call it. The Flexie Fidget. Alright. I just thought you guys would be interested in seeing what I got here. Talk to you later.